Hi, this is Imran here. Today's lesson will be creating the Canadian flag and the technique of flooding consistency. The flag consists of two colors, red and white flooding consistency. We begin with the white color using a method I refer to as wet on wet. Once I finish the white design on the cookies, I will apply the red icing immediately. After the icing dries, you will see a beautiful, smooth, and even surface. Now let's move on to creating the RCMP heart to go along with the flag designs. Start by flooding your choosing your cookie shape with white icing. No need to outline and allow it to dry completely. Once the white base is fully set, we can add on the design using brown icing for the color of the hat. Using a small paintbrush to clean up the excess icing and allow it to dry completely. Finally, I've used edible markers to finish off the design, adding intricate detail to make the hat really stand out. To complete the flag, we use the stencil to create the maple leaf. For this step, it's important to have the icing at thick or stiff consistency to achieve a clean design. Spread the red icing over the stencil, then use a spatula or a small piece of plastic to scrape across the top. Smoothing the edge evenly, gently lift the stencil away, and voila! There you have completed the flag with a beautiful finish. That wraps up today's lesson. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Happy decorating! Bye!